I love starting a meal off with a platter of chips, salsa, and guacamole. Today, we are going to be making homemade tortilla chips. What's great about making them homemade is you can do a mix of both flour and corn to really take your chips and salsa platter to another level. So join me as we make homemade tortilla chips. Okay, so you can make homemade flour tortillas, and we're going to be doing that in the future, but today we're using them right out of our grocery store. So I have some of my favorite. I love this La Banderita brand. They're pretty tasty for off the shelf. So we have some corn and we have some flour. So when I do these tortilla chip platters, I love to use both of these. You can use blue corn tortillas. You can use all kinds of different stuff to really mix up your platter. So we have our tortillas here, and we're just going to cut them into chips. So we're going to cut them across, and we're going to cut them across. And we have tortilla chips. Yay! Isn't that fun, Bill?
Sure. Can we make tacos that quickly?
You can make tacos. One great thing about this is you can then use these chips to make a taco salad. One problem with making a taco salad is you're used to getting a big, huge fried tortilla that the taco salad is in. And to cook one of those tortillas, it's fun, but it uses a lot of oil. So if you make it into chips and cook them up, you get the same taste and it's a lot less oil. So here I have, these are just fajita size. You don't want ones that are too big because then your chips will be too big, obviously. We're just gonna cut these into chips as well. I mean, if you like big chips, go for it. This is going to make quite a bit. So make however many you want. If you need a big, huge platter for game day, then go for it, right? We're just going to make this amount. This is going to be quite a bit for me and Eric. So let me get our pan so we can cook these up. So I have a frying pan here with some peanut oil in it. You can use whatever kind of oil you like. I'm just doing a quick fry test on one chip just to see how hot my oil is. So we're going to fry up these chips. So just place them in here one at a time. Woo! Put some flour in here, put some corn in here, and you just want to cook them to your desired chipness. I heated this oil pretty hot, so I'm going to have to lower it a little to like medium heat because you don't want to overcook them. We got chips in the house, boo. Got some chips in the house. They looking yummy. You can brown them up to however you want them brown. I brown, this is the one I cook. Yum, yum. Those are good. It's like eating a taco salad. Let me turn this down slightly. You kind of want to salt them as soon as they come out. I have some sea salt in here that I'm just giving them a quick salting. So turn this down. My pan's going crazy. Homemade chips, guys.
Crunchy.
Tasty. So I know which chips are which. These are corn down here. So this is going to be a batch just of corn. Woo! Just takes a few minutes for these things to cook up.
No eating of the chips. No. That's violation.
They're really good. Nice corn flavor, Bill. So I'm going to keep frying these and we'll be back. These are looking really good. We have a huge platter of chips. So these are some more corn. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. These are going to be delicious. Delicious. Right, Boo?
Sure.
He's been snacking on them.
I had one. And I still couldn't tell the difference. I need 5 more.
And we're going to give him a little bit of our fresh ground sea salt. And it's time to create our platter. So I have a little platter here and I put some guacamole. This, I didn't even go full on making my traditional guacamole. I'll put links up here and down here how I make guacamole. This I pretty much just took avocado, put some pico de gallo in there and salt and pepper, and it's fantastic. And we also have some salsa. So let's we can put some flour chips on this side. My hands are clean. We can put some corn on this side. That's what I'm talking about. Nice platter of homemade chips and salsa. Hopefully put some around here too. Just, fill it out a little bit right there. That right there is a tortilla feast, guys. Whoops! That right there is a homemade tortilla feast. So, you ready to take a taste, Boo?
Sure.
So, cooks, we have homemade tortillas. We have flour and we have corn. You can mix it up by using homemade tortillas. You can make blue corn tortillas. You can make your own and put like chili powder in them, turmeric, paprika to change them different colors. That just makes it a little more exciting, huh? So let's take a taste. I got some guacamole here. Yum. That's what I call an appetizer. They're so good. Amazing.
Can't get that on the Chili's 2 for $23 can you?
No. Delicious. So let's try a corn. These are crunchier. They're fantastic. You can really taste that corn flavor. A little mouse in here.
I have no idea.
They're so good.
Yum, yum.
How's the corn? You want to taste the corn? Oh, you did a flour.
Oh, no, I ate something over there.
Oh, okay.
This one looks kind of tasty.
It's so good.
Yeah. Yum, yum.
Let me do that punch. So, cooks, get your tortillas out and make you some homemade tortilla chips. They're absolutely fantastic. Would be great to make this with your kids. They know they will learn how tortilla chips are actually made, right? These are fantastic. So stay tuned because we are going to use some of these chips to make us one of my favorite taco salads, chicken taco salad. And we're going to try out one of those griddles that I bought recently, the grill pans. If you like this video, please join us on our journey to become better cooks by hitting the subscribe button below and also the bell so you get notified of our uploads. You can catch me on my website, amylearnstocook.com. You can print out all my recipes, save them, all that fun stuff. You can also catch me in my Facebook group, facebook.com/groups/amylearnstocook, and on social media, Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook, and also on Instagram at Cookin' with Amy. So now I'm going to take this platter and we're going to have a nice dinner.